Tired of your Discord stream lagging and ruining the experience? A few simple settings changes can make it smooth and crystal clear. Hey everyone, welcome to SAS Bistro. In this video, I'll show you exactly what to tweak to fix that lag fest. First, click on the system tray and find the Discord. Here is the Discord icon. Right click on it and select Quit Discord. Now again, click on the Start menu and type Discord. Now, run the app as administrator. If any permission pops up, click Yes. Now, your Discord will open and it has now a fresh start of the app. Okay, it has opened. Let's click on a server and yeah, it's working pretty smooth. Okay, now let's move on to a second method. Click on the Start menu and type Graphics Settings and click on Open. From here, turn off the optimization for Windows games. It will fix the lag that you are facing in your Discord. Okay, now restart your PC and you'll be good to go. Now, let's move on to the third method. Open the Discord app from your desktop, then click on the gear icon at the bottom left corner. That's the user settings icon. Now, scroll down and click on the system option from the left sidebar in the experience section. Here, turn off the enable hardware acceleration. Click change and restart. Now your Discord will open again with a new start. Okay, now let's move on to the fourth method. Right click on the taskbar and from here click on Task Manager. A small window will pop up. From the background processing ones. So the background processing ones are those apps or those things that are still cutting off your spaces while you're not even using it. So if you think these are not useful for you now, then right click on it, then select DNTOS. So your apps will stop working in your background while you are not even using it. Okay, now close the window and let's move on to the fifth method. For the fifth method, cut off any types of Discord that you're using on your browser rather than in the apps, because running the app in the browser, it also makes what the lag is causing for. So cut off or just close any types of tab that you are not using or your Discord app is just running around. Okay, now let's move on to the method 6. So open your Discord app from your app settings or from your desktop, then go to a voice channel. So I have to first click on the server, then that's my voice channel for general, and I'm clicking on it to start. And from here, click on share your screen. Now your screen will be sharing. Now I chose this one and now it's sharing. Okay, for now, click on the stream right in the sharing window, and from here, click on stream quality. And here, make sure the 30 FPS and the 720p is selected, because these two are the best if you want to avoid the lagging Discord problem. Okay, Now I'll stop streaming. Let's move on to the seventh method. For the seventh method, you have to turn off your router or the modem you are using on your computer, desktop, or laptop, because turning it off and again turning it on after 60 seconds or 1 minute, it will make your computer a new start with the connection, and it might solve your problem what you are facing with your Discord, and it can also solve the lag problem. Okay, now let's move on to the last but not the least, the eighth method. For this, click on the search bar and type CMD and select Run as Administrator. If any types of permission pops up, click Yes. Now a small window has popped up. This is the command prompt administrator section. Okay, now copy the first comment that I have given in the description box. All 5 of these are given in the description box. So copy this comment from there and paste it right here. Okay, it has flushed all the DNS, the cache also. Okay, now let's copy the second comment and paste it right here and hit enter. Window IP has configured. Okay, now let's move on to the third command, which is ipconfig release. Again, copy it and paste it right there. It has also done its job. Now let's copy the fourth command, which is ipconfig renew /renew. Paste it right here. And last command, netsh winsock reset. Paste it right here and enter. Okay. Now it has successfully reset the winsock catalog, and now the most important thing is that you have to restart your computer or laptop, which device you are using, and you will be good to go with your Discord, and you can now have freely, like lag freely, Discord for use. Okay guys, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to SAS Bistro. Don't forget to click the bell icon for regular notifications. Okay guys, see you in the next video. Bye.